Welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. As some of you may know, I love the cool temps, but we've had an extremely long winter here in Waco, Texas, starting back in September. So I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm really looking forward to spring. For the next few weeks, I will be doing a series of spring DIY projects. During the series, I will do a small giveaway to one lucky subscriber, so be sure that you're subscribed. The subscribe button should be gray. And click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video, because I have some DIYs that you won't want to miss. To kick off my spring DIY series, today I will be sharing how I made a beautiful spring wreath for about $8 using dollar store items in our favorite colors. So stick around to see how this quick, easy, and inexpensive project turns out. For this project, I'll be using a willow wreath, some plastic eggs, some faux flowers, this burlap ribbon from the 99 cents only store. I'll also be using my hot glue, scissors, and wire cutters. While I'm wearing my finger protectors, I'm attaching the ribbon onto the wreath. Then I'll wrap the ribbon around the wreath. With my glue gun on the low setting, I'm attaching the ribbon to the wreath and leaving a lot of the wreath exposed. And now I'm attaching the end of the ribbon. I've decided that I want to use 7 eggs, and I'm using the hot glue still on the low temperature and attaching the eggs to the wreath. Now I'm using my wire cutters to snip the flowers. And now I'm just tucking the flowers in different spots just to see where I would like them before I glue them in. And now that I'm happy with the placement of the flowers, I'll start gluing them in. Now I'm filling in a few spots with some leaves. And now I'm attaching a bow that I made from the burlap ribbon. And here is how the wreath turned out. So friends, I really love how my spring wreath turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it gave you some inspiration to create your own spring decor. I will leave a list of the supplies that I used in the description box below. During my spring DIY series, I will do a small giveaway to one lucky subscriber. To those of you who have subscribed to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free. Click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. Hit the like button, and in the comment section below the video, let me know what you are most looking forward to for spring. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Smile and create your own masterpiece today.